Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial on SOLIDWORKS tips and tricks. Today I'm going to show you two cool tricks in SOLIDWORKS Sketch. So let's say if you're working on lines and arcs most of the time for your sketches and you have to shift between lines and arcs. So there's a cool trick on how to switch between lines and arcs fastly and basically to make your sketch uh, more easier and not in the traditional way where you have to select line and then select again arc, nothing like that. So for that, let's say if I'm in a plane and I'm sketching a line, I'll select my line, I'll click here to stop. Now if I want to do the line again, I can keep on doing it, but let's say I want to do a arc here. So don't click this time, go back to your point, and now you will see an arc appearing from that point. So that's basically a tangent arc. So you can make it, and as soon as you click on the arc, it will change back to the line. So if you want to continue the arc, go back to the point, and then you can see it traces that I'm going to do the arc, and once I'm done with the arc, it will switch back to line. So this is a quick way to switch between lines and arc, and you can sketch more easily, and you can find it helpful if you are working with lines and arcs. Now there is one more trick. If you go, let's say if you want to delete this, so for that trick I want you to go to options, and then in general you have a sketch, and you see one option here, enable on screen numeric input on entity creation. So just make sure this is switched off or unticked and go for OK. Now we'll do the same thing. We'll select the line, we'll draw a line, start, end. Now press A on your keyboard and it switches to tangent arc. And once you are done with the arc, it will switch back to the line. Now I will draw a line and press A. So it knows I'm going to draw an arc, draw a line, press A, arc. So these are the two methods where you can switch between lines and arcs in a very fast and very accurate way and make your sketch easily. If you find this video helpful, make sure to comment down below and hit the like button. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment down below. Thank you so much guys, and peace.